guys. Look what I got today. Yee! I'm so excited. I'm gonna open it. Even though I already know what's in here, but I just want to open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love the tissue paper. Okay. So I ordered the whole collection plus a pig mirror. I was originally only going to do a conspiracy palette and then just the pig mirror, but I decided to get the whole thing because I wanted some lippies as well. I really liked the Jeffree What the Fuck shade and the Rylan shade, so I just decided to get the whole thing. So, comes in beautifully packed pink. I want to keep all of this. I'm gonna be like a hoarder and keep all of the tissue paper. So, there is a bunch of tissue paper for, I'm guessing for, it's like instead of packing peanuts, there's a lot. So first thing I see, this is all from the collection. So it included the one of the makeup bags, the mini controversy, the conspiracy palette, and all of the lippies. I think there's like 6 shades. Eee! Oh my god, it's so cute. I really love this. This is my favorite makeup logo of all time, forever and ever. Oh, it's pretty big. Oh, it's beautiful. So it has a little pocket up here for like brushes, which I really like. Because I used to have a brush holder, but I don't anymore. And then 2 little cinched pockets in the back. Ooh, if you can see. And then just a whole lot of room for everything else. Oh my god, I love this so much. Ugh. And close it. Ooh, and then it comes with one of their pictures together. So cute. And then the back. I'm so keeping this. This is the conspiracy palette and the mini controversy. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. I don't know. I'm gonna keep this. And then just my order. Just my order sheet. All right. So, which one should I open first? I'm gonna open the mirror first because I'm so obsessed. I can't. Look it. Oh my god. I love it. So cute. I wanted the pink one originally, but it was taking so long for everything to load. I was just like, I'm just gonna do the black. And I'm actually like the choice that I made. I did the black one instead of the pink one. Oh my god. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. Okay. Then I'll open this one. So I think these are all the lippies. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, I forgot that I got the lip gloss too. The Shane Glosson. Ah, yay. This packaging is to die for. Oh my god. It does smell like Diet Root Beer. Wait. Hold on. I'm so lame. Cute. Excuse the gun noises in the background. Somebody over there is playing video games. This is so cool. I can't believe it's all here. Okay. So it's 6 shades. Jeffree, what the fuck? Oh my god. Are you filming? Okay, little focus. Focus, please. And then I Gotta Go, Ryland, and Shane. Yee! And then also it came with the chapstick. I already put the lip gloss on, but the Diet Root Beer, I think it was called. Oh, Diet Shane. Sorry. Oh, it's so cute. This will be my new chapstick. I purposely didn't buy another chapstick because I knew this was coming in the mail. Let's swatch. So the 6 Velour liquid lipsticks. Diet Shane lip balm and Shane Glossin lip gloss. And then save the best for last. Okay, we're gonna do the mini one first. Oh my god. This is some good ASMR right here. Look it. Oh my god. It's finally in my hands. Look at these. You guys already seen them all. The beauty. And then best for last. Oh my god. I love this paper, by the way. Look at it. God, this is so beautiful. It's so, it feels so nice to have it in my hands. Okay, let's open. Look at. Oh. I'm gonna swatch now. Let me roll down my... Okay. Best part. So satisfying. my baby. Right? You're no longer my children. This is now my child. Alright guys, so that was it. I'm so excited to have all of these. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. So I will definitely be filming some looks with all the makeup I got. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe so you can see those videos in the future. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!